My last video we had talked about rank. What is rank? So there are some other analytical functions in MySQL, and what are they? They are dense rank and percent rank. So what is the difference between all three, and what is the main difference between rank and dense rank? Rank of the current row within its partition with gaps means if we are using same rank for three rows, then at the fourth row it will take fourth one row 1 1 1 4 and 5. But in dense rank, if it is taking for one rank 1 1 1 for fourth row, it will take second rank. So it rank of the current row within its partition without gaps. So it is said without gaps, but rank of the current row within its partition with gaps because it does not consider then second number and third rank. So this is the main difference between rank and dense rank. So with the same kind of entity and same values for the field on which we are trying to apply the rank, provide the same rank and it will skip for the common entries. Then add another one rank. For example, let us say we have 5 students in the class and 3 of them scored 98 out of 100. So fourth and fifth one have 95 and 90. So how in this case when you try to apply rank, the first 3 students by rank function itself will get 1 1 1 and 2 3 skipped. Fourth and fifth student will get rank 4 and rank 4 5. This is the disadvantage over rank function. So instead of this approach, if we have to give the rank 4 5 student to second third, go the second highest and third highest which they have gotten in the exam, then we have to use dense rank function. Example, there is a student of 5, there is a student bunch of 5 which have 98, 98, 98. 3 students have 98 marks, another one, fourth one have 95 and fifth one have 90. So who is scoring 95 and 90 actually having second and third position in the class, but after applying a rank function you will get the result of fourth and fifth. But what dense rank will do? Dense rank will do first 3 students first rank which is scored same marks 98, 98, 19, and the student who is scored 95 it will provide second rank, and who is having 90 marks it will provide third rank. So this is the beauty of dense rank function. What does percent rank do? It converts the entire ranking which you have done into percentage. So your whole class will get number from 0 to 1. And you can think of this as something similar to percentile. So what does particular number indicate for you? Percent of data set having a number greater than or lower than the value itself. So it depends whether you're putting ascending or descending clause. Let us understand about dense rank function, how to write it down. The syntax for writing dense rank and percent rank function are is as follow. Dense rank over clause, partition by clause, expression 1, 1, 2 up to n. Ordered by expression, ascending, descending, whether you want in ascending or descending, and then expression. So it is similar to the rank function, except this dense rank, it is all the similar to the rank function. So the rank function and percent rank have the same uh, type of query writing, same type of syntax as you use in the rank function. So rank function need not have consecutive values, but the dense rank function must have consecutive values. For this, we have considered an example. By an example, we are making you clear that how to use this. See, there are 3 students which are having same marks. But by after rank function application, you will get the result 113. But after dense rank, you will get 112. So this is the beauty of dense rank. So if you have to skip the problem, then you have to go to with dense rank. Rank of current row within its partition without gap. So it provides dense of current row without partition without gap. So if we are taking an example, the score is same for few rows, then it will provide the same rank, and after that it will start new one rank. But by rank function, it will start same rank, and then it will go to the, it will skip one row. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of rank function. This is all about we talked about. Now after this, we will go to the how to write down the query for dense rank and for percent rank. This is important topic. You have to use it. You have to write it down various queries of rank, dense rank, and percent rank with some examples at your own. I will walk you through with some MySQL queries of dense rank and percent rank in my coming class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.